Okay, so these are nice sized lobsters from ShopRite, $8.99 a pound with the shopper's card. They look like they're about 2 pounds. So we're gonna get the water boiling. We have our corn cooking. We have our ice maker making ice, and we'll be cooking these lobsters for about 12 to 14 minutes. All right, so the lobsters are boiling. They're gonna boil for 12 to 14 minutes, and we're gonna take them out to cool. We got our corn in the pot, and that's all ready to go. And I got my butter with some garlic. So these are the ShopRite lobsters, $8.99 a pound with a ShopRite card. They look like they're pretty big lobsters. All right, so we've got the lobsters ready to go. Alexa, how much time on my timer?
You have 1 minute and 30 seconds left on your 14-minute timer.
I'm going to be eating the best part of the lobster, which is the tail. And this is a pretty big lobster, over 2 pounds. Mmm. Delicious. Delicious lobster. Yep.